All right, we have a polar function problem. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to graph this function. And so let's just graph this in rectangular form. So I'm dropping everything down 1. Remember that a normal cosine looks like this, so as there's no translation, it looks like this. I'm going to do the same thing by dropping it down 1. Remember, we have these 4 steps, so pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. So it would start up top. So 1 above would be right here. Remember, everything's been translated down 1. The midline, down here to -2, back to the midline, and back up top. So it is looking like this. Okay, next I'm going to make a little table here. This is going to be my input values, and this is going to be my output values for this function. So I have 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. And we can easily see we get output values of 0, -1, -2, -1, and back up to 0. Now, what it says here is it says that f of theta is equal to r. And this question says specifically, as theta increases from 0 to pi, so I want to know this range right here. And I want to graph this now in polar form. That's what I'm going to do. So a quick reminder how polar form works. Polar form is going to be in the form of r theta when we graph. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate where 0 is, okay, and then I'm going to go up 0. So I'm going to start here, then I'm going to go to pi over 2. Well, here's pi over 2, but instead of going towards pi over 2, I'm going to go 1 in the opposite direction. So I'm coming down here, so it's looking probably something like that, more than likely, and then I'm going to go to pi. Well, here's pi, but instead of going towards pi, I'm going to go 2 in the opposite direction, 1, 2. So it's looking like this. Now let's look at our choices and what this says. Give me 1 second. If I look over here, oh, I'm so sorry. Give me 1 second. My choices, oh my goodness. Okay, my choices here is the points of the graph. Let me move this to the side. The points of the graph are above the x-axis. We can see that is not true. It's below. So I see above and above. I cross out A and I cross out B. Below and below, I like that. They're either getting farther from the origin or closer. And we can see as we go from 0 to pi, in polar form, we continue to get further and further away from the origin, making the correct answer option C.